Hello, in today's video we will be looking at a Philips Hue light, but which one is it? Well, find out after I've said roll titles! Hello, welcome to the channel. If it's your first time here, welcome back. If it's not, now in today's video we're going to be looking at this, and this is a Philips Hue Bloom light. Now I do actually already own one of these, and it's lighting up the corner there. It's actually sitting on top of one of my speakers that are behind my monitors, and I want to do one on this side as well, so I thought I'd get a matching pair. So here it is. Now this is a Bluetooth compatible device, so you can use it with the Philips Hue app via Bluetooth. I don't use my lights that way, so I can't answer any questions on Philips Hue and Bluetooth, but this should work in the Philips Hue app and connect via Bluetooth. But I'm not going to set it up that way. But in theory, everything should be pretty much identical. It would just be that mine is connected to my Philips Hue hub, and yours would be connected through Bluetooth if you wanted to choose that. So this retails around about the sort of £60 to £70 mark, which isn't too bad, and it is white and colour, and basically it can be any shade of white and pretty much any colour. Now I think from this box it actually seems deceptively big, but they are actually quite small devices. I've got a feeling this has been opened before, because I'm pretty certain there should be a seal on this. I might be having words with Amazon. Yeah, that's been opened before. Okay, well, you know, I hope it works. So what we've got, okay, so we've got the UK plug adapter. Just slide the cardboard out by the looks of things. Ooh. Yeah, something on it. And yeah, these don't usually come with the head already in. You usually have to change them for the one you want. But I think this is slightly different to the one that I actually own already, because from memory, I'm pretty sure the power supply wasn't separate like this. I'm pretty sure that it was wired in by itself. So yes, that is the light. So basically it's got this flat bottom here, and the cable goes through there and it sits down. Now you can't adjust the angle of this at all. It is just sort of at that fixed angle, which is fine for me because I like to bounce it up off the walls. But obviously, depending on where you're going to put it, that might be a problem. Okie dokie, so for power geeks, this particular supply takes in 220 to 240 volts and whacks out 24 volts at 83 amps. Cool. And how long of cable do we have? Don't have a tape measure to hand, but I would probably say we've just got maybe about 1.5 meters of cable attached. Now obviously it is attached into the unit, so you can't really extend it. You might be able to get some sort of third-party extender for this. This is weird, it's got like this strange little hat on it. And there we go. So let me plug it in, and we'll get it working. There we go. So it's come on to its default sort of warmish white colour. It's giving me a slightly eerie glow. I have made a hell of a lot of videos about Philips Hue products. I'll put a link to the playlist up there, but there are loads of them. Pretty much every Philips Hue product going, I've made a video about it. So anyway, let's get my screen showing here, and we can get this added. So if we go into settings, and then we go into lights, and then if we press the plus button, and then we'll do search, and hopefully it will find this light and it should flash it maybe. There we go, number of new lights found, 1. Start configuration. There we go, excellent. So we'll just call this bloom, call it bloom right, because it's going to be on the right hand side. And we can give it an icon, we'll just keep it with the hue bloom icon. Done. And there we go, it's found it, and it's we can change the colour around. Lovely stuff. There we go, just drag it around to all the different colours. Cool, then we'll do done. So it's going to go into the studio. Done. And then the studio is upstairs. So drag it over there. Done. There we go. It's all set up and ready to use. And actually what I might do, edit the name of this, the other one behind me, to bloom left. This is something that you need to set with every new Philips Hue light you buy, the power on behavior, because if there's a power cut and this light loses power, when the power comes back on, it will literally switch back on. Now, it's not so much of an issue in here because no one sleeps in here. So if the power goes out in the middle of the night and it comes back on quickly later, this turns on, it's not the end of the world because there's no one in here. But obviously, with something that would be, say, in a bedroom, you need to make it so it does something different. So let's set that now. So we'll go into the light settings and change the power on behavior. We'll do power loss recovery. So if it was off, when the power comes back, it will stay on, or if it was on, then it will go back to the setting it was on. Lovely. Done. So actually what I'll do is if I go into the studio and we kill all the lights, so it's going to get dark in here. There you go. Right, so we can I can show you with the one that's there already, bloom left, just how it lights basically and what it looks like. See, I love that. I love the light it creates. It's only very subtle. You move out the way so you can see it. But yeah, it's just tucked behind that monitor and it just creates a nice glow up the wall. So this light here is effectively just going to be doing exactly the same, but on the other side, slightly off camera, but you might see the light through the gap in upcoming videos. I'm proper pleased with that. That's nice, isn't it? That looks good. This is sort of this bit of it is metal. This is a plastic. And I think this is a plastic lens here. But yeah, it's got the Philips Hue branding there. It's just a really nice little light, and it's perfect to sit on top of the speaker and just bounce up the wall. But you could have this behind a TV or something like that, and it'll create a sort of light like that, which is really good for sort of streaming and whatnot. So yes, I'm happy. I think what I might do is just finish up with a shot showing them both in position behind my desk and show you what it looks like. But I think that is it from me. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, then please do give it a like and maybe leave a comment below. Tell me what you think of the Hue ecosystem yourself. What lights do you have? It would be great to know. But I think that's it. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. But for now, it's game over.